Tips and tricks for dealing with diabetes. Diabetes is a serious condition, and just because it can be controlled does not imply it is not harmful. If you do not take steps to control your blood sugar levels, you could suffer fatal complications. Here are some suggestions you can use to manage your diabetes. If you have diabetes, find out if an insulin pump may be beneficial and economical for you by speaking with your insurance company and healthcare practitioner. It can give your body a more steady amount of insulin, which may be beneficial for some individuals, despite being more expensive and challenging to maintain. Diabetes patients need to keep in mind that cough drops are still candy. To prevent a blood sugar surge while you have a cough or cold, try to get herbal lozenges that are sweetened with honey or choices that contain artificial sweeteners. We have to be extremely cautious with everything we eat and drink. To find out which foods are most likely to raise your blood sugar, read the labels on the products you buy. In contrast to processed or packaged food, it can be difficult to identify the location of sugar or other ingredients in uncooked foods. Check the labels and steer clear of anything that has been shown to affect your blood sugar. Even if they are severely overweight, people who consume at least 2 servings of dairy each day are less likely to develop insulin resistance. Even if you already have diabetes, eating a lot of low-fat dairy will help you maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Raising your magnesium intake can benefit your diabetes as well as your heart health. Include seafood, leafy greens, and nuts as frequently as possible in your diet because they are high in magnesium. Every time is a great opportunity to grab some almonds as a snack. If you have diabetes, be sure to check your blood sugar frequently and record the results in a diary. You must do this because even if your blood sugar is normal now, it can be dangerously high later. The risk of heart disease and stroke increases if your blood sugar is regularly high. It's crucial to look after your feet if you have diabetes. Small wounds can become infected in diabetics, leading to significant health issues including gangrene and even amputation. Every day, check your feet, and if you find any wounds or other abnormalities, visit your doctor. To save money on nutritious foods, consider purchasing food from farmers markets in your area or right on the farm. Diabetic diets don't need to be expensive. You just need to hunt for discounts and occasionally purchase in various stores. The first time you eat farm-fresh eggs, you'll be a convert. A diabetic's health as well as their bank account suffer when they eat out or order takeout. By dining at home instead, you can reduce your blood sugar levels and save money. For all of your favorite cuisines, you can discover a ton of copycat recipes online, including healthier variations that are better for you. Drink solely water to better control your blood sugar levels. The majority of other beverages are loaded with sugar, and diet soda can cause you to get dehydrated, which can raise your blood sugar levels. You can maintain healthy blood sugar levels by carrying along bottled water and regularly drinking it. Many diabetics don't treat their condition seriously. Some people ignore the symptoms because they believe they will merely make them sleepy or thirsty, but this leads to limb loss and problems including heart disease. Use the knowledge you've gained from this article to the treatment of this severe disease.